Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can group or ungroup elements on Canva mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my design on my Canva mobile application. And first of all, I'm going to add elements to this design. So I'm going to go to the elements menu. And then here I'm just going to pick random elements from Canva. For instance, I'm going to add this element. Okay, and then I'm going to add another element. Wait guys, I'm going to go to the elements section again, and I'm going to select this option. Okay, and then if you want to merge or group elements on Canva, we need to select it. I'm going to select the first element, and then we can click on these three dots and then select this option, select multiple. Okay, the first element has been selected, and I'm going to choose the second element. Okay, now both of the elements have been selected guys, and then if you want to group the elements, you just need to click on group. Okay, now it's done. As you can see guys, that two elements have been merged or grouped. Okay, and then if you want to ungroup the elements, you just need to tap on that and then click on the ungroup menu. Okay, and now the elements have been separated. Okay, basically you just need to use the select multiple menu on the Canva mobile, and you will be able to group or ungroup the elements using the select multiples menu. Okay, I'm just going to add one more element. I'm going to choose this one for instance, and I'm going to group all this element. We can click on the three dots, select multiple like this. Okay, and then select group. Okay, now it's done. Three elements have been grouped. Okay, if you want to ungroup, you can simply click on ungroup. Okay guys, and that's all the way to group or ungroup elements on Canva mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.